can you do in a mall without money? Nothing but window shopping. Some people dream of shoes, other an electric scooter. Dreams don't hurt anyone. It hurts when you don't know how to earn money to make your dreams come true. What if we place bets for money? New sneakers. How's that for happiness? However, it only works with shoes of the right size. Otherwise, it's still sad. What are you moping about? Are they too small? How about a bet? I bet I can wear these sneakers and walk a few feet with them on. With your big feet? Of course! I bet you can't do that. So, let's start. One step, and another step, and they are not too tight. Are you walking on your hands? That wasn't the deal. Give me the prize. You should have clarified. Take it already. Oh, don't be upset. Your big break is still ahead. By the way, I have a great idea to earn some money. As usual, there's just a little bit missing from complete happiness. Abracadabra, my friend. Look at this! We have 2 plates and some money. Put the money in a bowl and turn it upside down. Mixy, mixy, mix! And now, guess where the money is? It's under this one! Well done! Take your winnings! Cool! Will it work if I put more money in it? Absolutely! So, do we raise the stakes? I am in too! The final round. Mixing them up. Drop the bills under the table, where your friend will catch them. Continue to spin bowls on the table. Well, which of the bowls holds the treasure? Oh no, it's not there. And it's not here either. As you can see, it disappeared. Yes, that happens when you are doing magic. Don't be a sore loser, just accept it. Well, let's calculate our winnings. We were sharing an orange, and we checked who would eat their half faster. The main condition is that the peel should be fine at the end. The timer is set. Get ready, start! Bite into the fruit. Or just pretend you are biting. At the right moment, pass the player clean peels and take the orange with the pulp. Time's up! How long can we wait for you? You lost! Give me your money! Another successful prank! We make a great team! Tea with a friend is the perfect time for a bet. Well, if the dishes are empty, maybe we can make a bet. Look, let's put 2 empty cups on the table and take a balloon. I bet that with the help of this balloon, I can lift the cups from the table at the same time. The only rule is not to touch the cups with your hands. 2 at the same time? No, that's impossible. Let's bet. Turn the cups on their side with their mouths towards each other. Put a balloon between them. Inflate it. And carefully raise the cups. Okay, take your winnings. How's it going, partner? What do you think? Now we are 1 step closer to our dream. Bets are great, but lunch has to happen on time. What are you cooking? Eggs? Excellent props for betting. I have one idea about them. Great idea! I hope we are lucky. Let's go work out. I think I know who the victim of my egg bet will be. Find the strongest jock. Holy protein! Look at those muscles! But they are clearly not strong enough to crush an egg. You will have to train more. I didn't know that bodybuilders were so vulnerable. Well, of course, he makes a bet. Put an egg in the palm of his hand. No matter how hard the jock tries, there are no cracks in the egg. Give me your money! Ha! The old egg trick never lets me down. and you keep working out. I'll stop by next week and give you a chance to win it back. The second egg is waiting for its time to shine. You will need a large, deep plate. Here comes the candidate for the bet. Do you want to get some money? All you need to do is crush the egg with a plate. And when she agrees, put the egg in the corner. Yeah, it's not that easy to get to it. Are you kidding me? Yes, maybe I should explain the terms ahead of time, but for now, pay up. There's a soccer player in sight, so it's time for another bet. You are like a pro. How about a bet? Nothing difficult, you just need to hit the ball. However, with your eyes closed. Assistant, blindfold. And here we go! It's not that easy. Now it is clear why there are no famous soccer players who are moles. Now it's your turn. Oh, that's easy. Bam, bam, bam! We can agree that I win? But how? How did you do it? You are a real pro. That's right. How much was the bet again? Partner, count our fair winnings. Well, almost fair. It's all in the blindfold. Work hard, play hard. But when there is a pull-up bar nearby, you can't play long. Ideas for new bets practically write themselves. Do you know how to do pull-ups? You have to learn. 1, 2. Good job. And now do it with one arm. And with the other. Great! I have to shoot a video. Film the upper part of the body only, because the lower one is pushing against a chair. Bet you can't do it without it. Oh no! Somebody help me! Put me back down! With the video ready, look for the new victim. Hey, girl, have you seen my biceps? You think those are biceps? You can't even lift a bag with your chicken wings. I don't know about bags, but I can do pull-ups on a bar just like that. Want to bet? Easy. Here, look for yourself with my left arm and with my right arm and with both. Is that you? Wow, what an intense workout. I'm so surprised. Here, keep the winnings. You earned them. It's great that you are all here, because it's time for real tricks. Are you ready? Meet my gorgeous assistant. Sit the assistant on chairs. Cover her with a blanket. Magical moves. Wow, look, she's flying. She is flying. Bravo to the magician and his beautiful assistant. Gratitude for a small miracle can be expressed in the form of money. To repeat this trick, cover the girl with a big blanket, all the way to the floor. After saying the magic words, she should take off her shoes and hold them in her hands, and put her feet on the floor and lift up. Wow! So much money! We are rich! Somebody help! There's a kitten on the tree! Excuse me, please help! Fluffy climbed a tree and can't come down. It's so high, but that's no big deal. Just a minute. Climb the tree, take the kitten, and return the fugitive. The gratitude of the owner knows no boundaries. Take this! You saved us! No, not at all. I insist! Well, if you insist, of course I will take it. That's what it means to be in the right place at the right time. Enjoy your tea. Sugar? No, thank you. But then, at least can we play a game? Give the sugar packets numbers. I'll turn away and you choose a number. And I bet I'll guess it. Well, well, let's try. I choose my number, turn around, switch on the manual vision system. Not that. Not that. Not that. Here it is. Wow, magic! Let's do it again! This one! Exactly! Here, you earned it! Thank you! And to do this trick, you just need to move the sugar to one of the sides of the packets. The untouched packets feel like they are half empty when you touch them. And if the packet was lifted, the sugar would lie evenly. It's simple. Heavy bags? A bicycle taxi is at your service. Need a ride? We'll bring you home safely and get a reward. Genius, isn't it? It's full of advantages, both for health and for the wallet. Well, it seems that you got the money you needed. At last, this scooter will be mine. Have a good trip. Woohoo! Whee! I'm the happiest girl in the world after shopping. Shoes, jeans, what else could you possibly want? And there's even some money left. Did you like our bets? Which of them will you make with your friends today? Let us know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss more funny sketches and life hacks from Troom Select.